So, where do you guys think I should put the exit of the exhaust? There, 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 there. And how to do it? That is the question. Also here, I'm thinking around here. So yeah, so guys, making the long-awaited holes on the side covers. This will be the template for the hole. Some old 2-inch pipe. We'll transfer it to here, like so, or maybe so, or so, or there, or there. Yeah. Alright. We're back. Exhaust. Got the hole done. Need to the centerpiece done. This is just a mock-up. How they will be. This is the left one. Right one. So yeah, all of me chain tensional, not the sprocket kind, but more like a skateboard wheel type with ball bearings. Tighten down the dash. Also did some work on the side covers. Crap you don't see, like these two slots. We'll get back to you on what they are later. 2 slots like that on each side. So yeah, need to drill the steering wheel pin, and I'm gonna need to pop off the grill again and weld in between here. Not sure if you can see. Can you see? Yeah, there. The little disc need to be welded to the hood mount. So yeah.
A lot of crazy stuff left. Just getting forward. So yeah, see you later. Bye bye.